Inner awakening. Stunning health recoveries. 100% cure for depression, insomnia, asthma, fatigue, chronic pain, insecurity, panic attacks, and other major disorders. Awaken the Kundalini Shakti, the dormant energy within. What would you do if you had 1300% more energy? Disease-free mind and body is your first wealth. Claim it at Inner Awakening. Inner Awakening, a 21-day meditation retreat with rare living incarnation. Paramahamsa Nityananda, Nityananda Dhyanapita, Nityananda Nagar, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact
0802 727 9999.
Email ia@nityananda.org.
नित्यानन्देश्वर समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, the Leela we are seeing is Kadal Suvara Velvitta Leelai. It's one of the Leela where the Ukrabandya, son of Sundareshwara and Meenakshi, who is Subramanya himself, protected the Pandya kingdom using the weapon given by Devi Meenakshi. So as per the story, the Ukrabandya started performing many Ashwamedha Yajnas. Indra was threatened because if people have more punya, they will become Indra. And Indra and Muruga always they had a problem and they never got along well. And son-in-law, father-in-law problem. Indra is the father-in-law of Muruga. And there was always a tiff between both of them. So Indra was trying to attack Pandya kingdom. Then Mahadeva appears and instructs Ukrabandya to use the Shakti Ayuta, the weapon given by Meenakshi, and protect the kingdom. So Ukrabandya does the same. Today you are seeing that Leela being depicted in the form of deity and by our Gurukul Brahmachari. With this, I'll move to today's satsang. I'll start with a story. A man joins in a big corporate empire as a trainee. He dials the pantry, shouts into the phone on the very first day of the work, "Get me a coffee quickly." The voice from the other side responded, "You fool, you have dialed the wrong extension. Do you know who you are talking to, Dumbo?" "No," replied the trainee. The voice on the other side said, "It is the CEO of the company, you fool." The trainee completely got shattered, but tries to shout back, "And do you know who you are talking to, you fool?" The CEO, the other side, replied, "No." This guy said, "Good, that is what I want," and kept the phone down. Many times, please listen, many times you escape because the other side do not know who has done it. Now, even with incompletions, please understand, you go on postponing the possible problems. You need to catch it. You need to get it. Postponing is not going to solve the issue. Hiding is not going to solve the issue. Maybe in this story, this guy has successfully escaped from this one situation. And it is also not very difficult. If the CEO wants to find from where the call came, he can trace it back. How this guy thinks he is saved because he is not identified. We think in the life continuously we can save ourselves if we are not identified. Listen. Life starts happening if you can be open to the every force available in your life. Your child is a force in your life. Your business partner is a force in your life. Your teacher is a force in your life. Force in your life. Anybody whom you see every day and interact in your life are all force in your life. Fortunately, unfortunately, all of you are forces in my life. Whether you want it or not, I want it or not, this is the truth. Same way, I am a force in your life. Understand? Ability to be complete with all the forces in the life only allows life to happen in you. I tell you, if you open, I have seen some of my own disciples and ashramites, because they can't handle their laziness, they try to protect their laziness, they will start hiding themselves from me. For example, if they don't come to the morning yoga, and due to their laziness, to justify the laziness, you create sickness. When you can't come, after a few days, just to protect see the number of mistakes you do. First, you associate yourself with that laziness. Then to justify your absence to the morning yoga session, you make yourself fall sick. And then next, you strongly wanted to protect your identity. You start hiding yourself from my eyes. So the incompletion gap starts building. With everybody, you start creating incompletions and distance. Please understand. Actually, if you complete with me and the Sangha, suddenly you will see the very laziness which you are converting into disease will disappear from your being. I am telling you every step in your life. This is one example I am giving. Every step in your life, anything you try to protect by hiding, any incompletion you try to protect by hiding, only becomes more and more incompletion, more and more powerlessness, more and more suffering. You move out of your life more and more. Moving out of your spouse, or moving out of your business partner, or moving out of your family, or moving out of people who exist in your life, forces which exist in your life, is not intelligent decision. Please understand. We always think moving out of people to protect your habits and patterns is freedom. No, that is the biggest bondage. People who move out of life to save their pattern is the biggest bondage. अपूर्णताओं से, छुपने से या उसे टालने से हम उनसे भाग नहीं सकते हैं। जीवन तभी आरंभ होता है जब आप अपने जीवन के सभी लोगों, सभी व्यक्तित्वों, सभी शक्तियों के साथ पूर्ण है। I tell you, if you are open and complete, even just sitting with me live will awaken your Kundalini wherever you may be. It is not dependent on time and space. Please understand. It is not dependent on time and space. If you are incomplete, you may be sitting in this very hall, but you will be feeling you are burning. You are sitting inside the fire. कई बार हम अपनी अपूर्णताओं से भागने के लिए और स्वयं के व्यक्तित्व को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए अब स्वयं पर बीमारी लाते हैं। जो भी अपूर्णता आप छुपाते हैं और अधिक अपूर्णता शक्तिहीनता और पीड़ा का निर्माण करता है। यदि आप सभी लोगों से पूर्णत्व में रहेंगे तो आप पाएंगे आपके बहुत गहरे पैटर्न्स जैसे आलस से आप बाहर आ सकते हैं। Incompletions in your existence is like thorn in the flesh. All the patterns and habits and lifestyle you are trying to protect, all the patterns and habits and lifestyle you are trying to protect is the most dangerous. Please understand, what you are trying to protect only is going to kill you. I tell you. Whatever you try to protect from the life is only going to stink and kill you. Whether it is your habits or patterns or mental setup or incompletions. Listen. Whether it is habits or patterns or mental setups or incompletions, what you try to protect from others and life, what makes you move out of life and others, is only going to become cancer in you and kill you. Most joyful life is having completion with everything around you. Having completion with everything around you. Understand? All the rituals in Hindu tradition is nothing but completions. If you are doing Lakshmi Puja, worshipping the goddess of wealth, that is nothing but completion with Lakshmi, the wealth energy. If you are doing Sani Puja, worshipping Saturn, that is nothing but completion with Saturn energy. If you are worshipping Nagadevata, that is nothing but completion with snake energy. The concept spheres you have about snake. यदि आप पूर्ण हैं, तब आप जहां पर भी बैठकर मुझे देख रहे हैं, आपकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो उठेगी. यदि आप अपूर्ण हैं, तब चाहे आप मेरे समक्ष भी बैठे हो तो भी आप केवल जलन का अनुभव करेंगे. आपके सभी पैटर्न्स अपूर्णताएं, आदतें या मनोवैज्ञानिक स्थिति जिसे आप जीवन से सुरक्षित रखना चाहते हैं, वही आपका विनाश करेंगे. जीवन में सबसे बड़ा आनंद हम तभी अनुभव कर सकते हैं जब हम सभी लोगों और चीजों के साथ पूर्ण हैं. अंडरस्टैंड, what you try to hide in you from life is going to kill you. What you try to hide from life is going to destroy you. Listen. Your laziness pattern will be a very simple pattern as long as you are ready to expose that to others. But when you decide to hide that from others, it will simply become disease just because you associate strongly yourself with that pattern or the fear you develop about that pattern destroys. Please understand, when you develop fear even about a small guy, the guy himself may not have power to kill you, destroy you, but the fear you developed about that guy will destroy you. I tell you, whenever you try to hide something, the fear you develop about it itself will imbalance you. In Tamil, there is a proverb: if you hide the comb of the bride, you can't stop the marriage. Please understand, whether you are hiding something which is inside you from the life, or trying to hide something outside you from the life, in both situations, your own incompletion kills you, destroys you. You don't need a separate punishment. जो भी चीज आप जीवन से छिपाना चाहते हैं, वही चीज आपका विनाश करेगा, क्योंकि आप अपने पैटर्न के साथ दृढ़ संबंध जोड़ते हैं और उससे भयभीत है, वो आपके जीवन पर हावी हो जाते हैं और आपका विनाश करते हैं. Understand? Life is so powerful, you cannot cheat it with your logic. It functions with a simple, natural law of existence. Please understand, the power of natural law of existence is such nobody need to teach you. By your very birth, if you start growing, you will catch it. You will catch it. I am studying Kapila's teachings and Kapila's sutras. I am just overwhelmed by the purity of Kapila's thinking. I can tell you, God is a pristine, pure, clear crystal water. Few days before, I saw a photograph of a lake which is 500 feet deep, but I could see through the water everything in the bottom of the lake so beautifully. I remembered exactly that photograph when I read Kapila's teachings. That is exact visualization I had. Why Kapila's teaching has not become popular, Because it's a natural thing. You don't need to popularize it. Your body, your mind, your biomemory, your muscle memory, your consciousness. If I consider you as a computer, Kapila is the default program. Understand? If you consider our body as the computer, Kapila is the default program. Default program need not be sold or made freely available in any internet or anything. It's a default program. जीवन स्वाभाविक रूप से बहुत ही बुद्धिमान है, आप जीवन से कभी भाग नहीं सकते हैं. Understand? Only Kapila's words matches with the definition of Dhamma. A natural Dhamma. He starts with completion, he flows in completion, and he ends in completion. He starts with completion, flows in the space of completion, ends in the space of completion. completion. The space of completion makes you understand the natural Dhamma. Please understand. I really feel other than Kapila's, everybody's teaching is a torture to humanity. Because everybody assumes something other than the natural flow and starts. Kapila assumes the natural flow, natural law of existence, continues with the natural law of existence, and dissolves in the natural law of existence, ends in the natural law of existence. I was getting ready to speak on Kapila's Sankhya Karika and Kapila's teachings recorded in Srimad Bhagavatam, the 3rd chapter, 3rd canto. There is a beautiful book called Kapila Gita. Kapila teaches to his mother Devahuti, and Kapila's Sankhya Sutras and Sankhya Karika. Sankhya Karika is developed based on Kapila's philosophy. I was trying to speak on all those books. Suddenly I discovered I need training. I need training to speak on Kapila because he is too natural. Just because of this English language itself, my tongue is corrupted a little bit. Please understand. This language is not designed to express a natural existence of law. Law of natural existence. This language is designed for makeup. This language is not designed for the natural flow of existence. This language is not designed for Dhamma. By, I think, continuously speaking in this language, my tongue has become a little corrupt. So I thought I need little training to speak the purity of Kapila in its original form. So I need to learn better refined words which I can put it in such an organized way that these words nullify their unnatural expressions and finally make you understand the natural flow of Kapila. He is such pristine purity, I am afraid to translate him in any other language. His original Sanskrit is literally like playing the veena, not like drums. English is like drums, the language of MTV. Kapila is like morning chanting. Kapila is like mother's lullaby to a child. English is MTV comparing. So I am still finding, and I still wanted to train myself before singing the beautiful flow of Kapila. if people can understand Sanskrit directly, I would really love to speak on Kapila directly in original Sanskrit. But unfortunately, I have to use only English as a medium. When I was studying, I found such beautiful expressions. He is one of the great incarnations celebrated in Srimad Bhagavatam. If you read Kapila, you won't find a single moral lesson or even definition of morality or immorality. But I tell you, the followers of Kapila will be the most beautiful moral beings on the planet Earth. Because he just puts you into the natural flow of your being. You do not hide anything from others. You do not hide anything from yourself. You are not afraid of anything which is within you or outside you. I tell you, I'll make my kids, Gurukul kids, to learn Sanskrit just to understand Kapila. What a pristine purity. Kapila is the definition of natural law of existence. Kapila is the definition of innate intelligence. He doesn't give any big instructions of do's and don'ts. No. He just makes you understand your natural flow. That's all. कपिल मुनि जी के शिक्षण इन्हीं स्वाभाविक ब्रह्मांडे कानून को दर्शाते हैं। उनकी सांख्यकारिका बड़े ही स्वाभाविक रूप में जीवन के स्वाभाविक सिद्धांतों के बारे में व्याख्या करती है। Soon, very soon, you can expect satsang, nitya satsangs on Kapila Gita and Sankhyakarika and Sankhya Sutras. Soon, be ready to receive the beauty of Kapila, because even to receive Kapila, you need certain level of completion in your heart. Because Kapila is so beautiful, so powerful, so natural. It's unfortunate human beings always understand beautiful, powerful means something not natural. Kapila is as beautiful as Gopikas of Bhagavatam and as intelligent as Krishna's Gita. and as natural as Dharmaraja. Only with certain completions you will understand intelligence, beauty, naturalness, all can flow together in one space, that is Kapila. The essence of today's satsang, the incompletions you are trying to hide inside or outside leads only to more and more suffering, incompletions and destruction. So, I request everyone to drop the incompletions inside, outside, not to disturb your inner space with your incompletions. आप अपने अंदर और बाहर जो भी अपूर्णताओं को छिपा रहे हैं वो आपको और अधिक अपूर्णताओं की तरफ ले जाते हैं। इसलिए मैं सबसे अनुरोध करता हूँ कि अपूर्णता को अपने अंदर रहने ना दीजिए। With this I move to the next segment of the morning satsang, निराहार संयम। अब हम आज के निराहार संयम ध्यान में प्रवेश करेंगे। सीधी तरह से बैठ जाइए और चेतना स्थिति के साथ कल्पना कीजिए आप बिड़दी वटवृक्ष बन गए हैं। इस कल्पना के साथ आप अपने दोनों नासिकाओं और मुंह के द्वारा सांस अंदर लीजिए। जितनी देर सांस को आप अपने अंदर बांध कर रख सकते हैं उतनी देर आप अपने अंदर सांस को बांध कर रखिए। जब आप सांस को और बांध कर नहीं रख पा रहे हैं तब आप अपने मुंह बंद रखकर सांस को अपनी दोनों नासिकाओं द्वारा धीरे से छोड़ दीजिए। आप में अपनी पूरे संपूर्ण श्रद्धा, उत्तरदायित्व और लाभान्वित करने के 4 तत्वों के साथ आशीर्वाद देता हूँ कि आप सबकी कुंडलिनी शक्ति जागृत हो जाए और आप सब अपनी जीव ऊर्जा को सीधे आकाश और वायु से उत्पन्न करें। अब क्रिया आरंभ कीजिए और इस क्रिया को लगातार 21 मिनट तक कीजिए। अब हम प्लीज सिट स्ट्रेट, क्लोज योर आइज, cognize you have become Bididi Kalpavriksha. Inhale through both the nostrils and mouth simultaneously. Hold as long as you can comfortably. Exhale through both the nostrils. Do this continuously for 21 minutes. Even the non-niraharis, please do this kriya. With this, I bless you all with my integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. And I let you all experience Kundalini awakening. Let you all produce the energy directly from space. Live health, bliss and enlightenment. Namah Shivaya. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapītam, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.